Guys, this is my channel on Instagram, Rupe Gyan. So here I give advice about the personal finance. So first advice was always better to buy 3-year-old car than a new one. Next is do something today that your future self will thank you for. How to be how to become a millionaire by 30, follow the money. Follow the money rule actually. Make your money work for you. Because you have limited time. If you will trade your time with your money, then you will earn a limited money. Save to invest, don't save to save. Yes, don't save to save, because inflation you have heard about, right? Inflation is something which is eating up your money. Avoid debt that does not pay you, like personal, like credit card debts, like car debts, like mm, mm, car debt. Okay, next is treat money like a lover. Don't let your money sleep. Change your mentality. Get a millionaire mentor. Don't show off, show up. Don't show off, don't show off like the celebrities all the time they do. Aim 10 times higher. Build in your dorm morning routine. Wake up, immediately get out of the bed, make your bed, no phone, 5 or 10 minutes meditation, 15 minutes hit cardio, eat a healthy breakfast, cold shower, set at least 3 goals for the day, grab a coffee to start hustling. Execution is everything. Money is a tool, not a goal. Understand? Money is the tool, not the goal. Freedom is the goal. Never forget that. Freedom is the goal. Okay, freedom is the goal. Budgeting is the basic to get rich. Learn how to manage your money. Because if you really don't know where your money going, how will you manage it? How will you get rich? Taking care of your mental health is as important as physical health. Because if you will feel stress all the time, then how will you work? I mean, it is more important. I would rather say it is more important than physical health. Selling yourself is an art. Selling yourself is an art. Just go for the job interview. Give interviews as much as possible you can. Because you have to be good in this art. Wanna get rich? Just solve a problem what would willing to pay for. I mean, look at the Facebook, look at the Amazon, look at the Tesla, look at the uh, a lot of companies who are focusing on solving the problem. Like, let's say for the example, real estate is the example. Let's say people are investing in real estate. So they are solving a problem of they are solving the problem of people where to live. Okay, next is looking for lifelong passive income. Invest in real estate. I mean, not all type of real estate, only the rental type of real estates. I mean, rental, commercial, which is paying you more than your EMI. Friends are one of the sacrifice you will have to make in order to get rich. Wanna get rich? Stop pursuing hobbies, because nobody is going to pay you for hobbies unless you are not a famous painter or something like that. Top three advice to follow: read, read, and read. Pandemic taught me to have multiple streams of income. Buying and building assets is only way to get rich. Yes, it is only way to get rich. Spend your income to create more income. I mean, don't spend your income. I mean, make more stream of income with your income. Let's say take a loan. Okay, buy a house which is producing the money more than your EMI. Understood? Do not only invest in high IRO, IOR, sorry. Leave few degrees. Most the challenges degrees are irrelevant now. Most college degrees are irrelevant now. If your money is not getting doubled every 2 years, then you are wasting your today and tomorrow. No point of reading thousands of books if you are not implementing those. What is the point of reading one thing? if you are not focusing on one thing. What is the point of reading Rich Dad Poor Dad if you do not know, if you are not generating assets, if you are investing in liabilities? Retirement is what when you do not have to work for money. Lack of education is pushing you towards poverty. Yes. Understand the difference between term insurance and whole life insurance, because the agents will sugarcoat whole life insurance as, I mean, amazing thing to get more commissions from you. Term insurance should be the first thing you should buy with your first salary, not that expensive car. Work on your knowledge, body, relationship, and wealth in your 20s. Prepare to be rich in your 30s. Look for better claim settlement ratio and amount set. First, understand the difference between the claim settlement ratio and amount settlement ratio, because in the claim settlement ratio is how many how many claims are done to the company and how many are cleared by the company. And amount, are those claims were the small amount or the large amount claims. So understand the difference between claim settlement ratio and amount settlement ratio.